Hello. Today we are going to talk about verbs of perception or verbs of senses. So, first question comes in our mind that what are verbs of perception and verbs of senses? 5 senses को इस्तेमाल करके जो चीज़ हम perceive करते हैं they are called verbs of senses or verbs of perception. What are our 5 senses? Our 5 senses are seeing, touching, tasting, smelling or hearing. So they are our 5 senses. What we perceive from our senses, they are called verbs of perception. For example, look, see, seem, look, touch, taste, smell. There are called verbs of perception. Today we are going to talk about 3 facts about verbs of perception. What is first fact? The first fact is that they don't take ly adverb. Once again, I repeat, they don't take ly adverb. For example, I say the flowers smell sweetly. It is incorrect sentence. What is correct? The flowers smell sweet. Okay, not sweetly, because smell is a verb of perception or verb of sense. Okay, we don't put ly adverb with it. We make a lot of mistake while we are speaking this type of sentences when we write these types of sentences. The second example is the glass touches softly, not softly, because touch is verb of senses. So we will say the glass touches smooth, not smoothly. Okay, this is the first fact. What is the second fact? They don't come in ing form of verb. कभी भी हम इसको ing form of verb में यूज नहीं करते. हम इसको यूं यूज कर सकते हैं, he is looking at me, we are looking at him. When you are talking about sense, that what you perceive from look. Okay, for example, you will say वो बड़ा गुस्से में दिखाई दे रहा है. You will say he is looking very angry. No, they don't come in ing form of verb. It will be he looks very angry, not he is looking very angry. He looks very angry. Okay, this will be the correct sentence. The second example is that it is seeming very difficult. No, it seems difficult. You are perceiving something out of your 5 senses. So seeming nahi hoga, ye hoga seems. So the sentence will be it seems very difficult, not it is seeming very difficult. Okay, the third fact, इनके बाद हम infinitive यानी to plus first form of verb हम यूज नहीं करते. We just use first form of verb after them. I saw her to come out of the room. No, I saw her come out of the room. मैंने उसे कमरे से बाहर आते हुए देखा. I saw her to eat my chocolate. No, I saw her eat my chocolate, not to eat my chocolate. So when verbs of perception are used, they are not followed by infinitive. They may be used in that case, I saw her eating my chocolate. अब इस तरह इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. ईटिंग आप यूज कर सकते हैं, बट टू ईट आप इसके बाद जो है वो यूज नहीं कर सकते. आई सा हर टू ईट माई चॉकलेट नहीं होगा. आई सा हर ईट माई चॉकलेट और आई सा हर ईटिंग माई चॉकलेट. आई सा हर कमिंग आउट ऑफ द रूम भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. आई सा हर come out of the room या coming out of the room. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video. Thank you.